Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas can't hide their affection any longer on Family Bike Ride. The two, who started dating earlier this year, have kept things on the DL so far in their relationship. However, the two are opening up more and more and are cute as a button as they engaged in a little PDA on Friday while hanging out with Nick's brother Joe and his fiancée Sophie Turner. The crew were getting about New York during their holiday celebrations, as they rode around the busy city streets on city bikes. They're a thrifty bunch. All decked out in white tops, which seemed to be a theme in Priyanka's wardrobe at the minute. Nick, 25, and his model girlfriend, stayed at the back of the pack as Sophie wearing a festive star-spangled visor and Joe rode ahead. They're all very chummy, by the looks of this weekend hang. It all seemed like very serious business as they rode along. However, when they dismounted and used their legs instead, the fresh couple thought it the perfect chance to get a little handsy, all in a very PG way. Don't worry, no need to avert the eyes. The two looked smitten as they strolled around the city, holding hands as they crossed the street, all the while Nick was rocking a bum bag. Priyanka then reached a hand up to Nick's head as she stroked his hair while they turned the Big Apple into the city of love. Either that or the only way to navigate a Nick Jonas is my the head. The actress had earlier been spotted in the city slaying in white as she left her hotel last week. The actor, 35, was seen leaving her New York hotel on Thursday, a day after the national holiday, dressed in all white and nude pumps, with what looked like a script in her hand. It comes after the former Miss World went public with their romance in June and have barely left each other's side ever since, and even work commitments aren't getting in the way as she watched him from the side of the stage at Nick's Film Mix performance in Brazil. The happy couple have only just returned from Mumbai, India, where Nick was introduced to Priyanka's family and where the two made it Insta official with a video of her dancing on a terrace, and captioned it "Only her" with heart-eye emojis. These two, seriously.